Your test will last about 40 minutes, and you can take your instructor with you if you want. Before going out on the road, you'll do an eyesight check and be asked one safety question. You'll drive in various road and traffic conditions and drive independently for about 20 minutes. You'll need to follow directions, either from the examiner's sat-nav or a series of traffic signs. It doesn't matter if you go the wrong way or need to check where you're going. Driving safely is what counts. Your examiner will ask you another safety question while you're driving, such as showing how you'd wash the windscreen or turn on the heated rear window. You'll have to do one reversing manoeuvre. This could be parking in a bay. The examiner will ask you to either drive in and reverse out, or reverse in and drive out. Or you could be asked to do parallel parking at the side of the road. Or you might be asked to pull up on the right hand side of the road. You'll need to reverse for about 2 car lengths, and then rejoin the traffic. You'll also do controlled stops to check that you can stop and move away safely. You might also be asked to do an emergency stop. At the end of the test, your examiner will tell you if you've passed and give you feedback. You'll only fail if you make 16 or more driving faults or any serious or dangerous faults. Found this useful? Then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.